Hey everyone, in this video let's talk about how you can cancel your subscription with LTX Studio. In order to do so, first off, here we are at app.ltx.studio, and what we're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You can see here the option that says upgrade, and also we have our profile icon here. If we select pricing, then it's going to take us to this page here, and this is where, if you have a subscription, I'm sure you would have chosen one of these options. What you're looking for is next to pricing, it says manage. And from here, you can see currently we are on the free plan. If we click on upgrade plan, then it's just going to bring us back to this page here. So once you have upgraded your plan, if you want to go back to the free plan, then you can just come to the manage page, and then this icon here should allow you to change your subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.